something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. There's something about her. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. There's something about her. Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure and nails or something pedicure boss. She's fly effortlessly. She move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Ooh, the way she shine. It's independent.
Hi guys, welcome back to yet another Hanky Dory vlog by Dory. We are back with yet another vlog, and if you don't know me, I go by the name of Karabo M on all my socials, same as my YouTube handle. So if you are looking for me on Instagram, TikTok, just search KAR full stop ABO _ M to find me. But yeah guys, we're back with yet another vlog. Yeah, you guys can see that I'm really consistent right now. I just finished shopping and I quickly went to go get matcha. I'm about to head home just to show you guys everything that I got, because I got a few clothing items from Cotton On, and I also got myself a sneaker. But yeah guys, I'll show you guys everything when I get home. Bye bye. Guys, I just got back now and I quickly want to do a haul with you guys before I settle down. So we're quickly going to do a haul and I'll show you guys everything that I got from Cotton On as well as Puma. This is the packaging. I'll show you guys the sneaker I got. I initially wanted to get the Adidas Campus, but they didn't have the color that I wanted. I wanted a black color, but they only had a green and a red, which is very odd colors. So I decided to go for this Puma sneaker. I really love it. I love it so much. And my mom actually has the same sneaker, because she told me she got a sneaker last week and she gave me a description of how the sneaker looks like. She told me that it's black and has a leopard print, only to find out that it's the actual same sneaker that I got. So this is the sneaker, you guys. This is what it looks like. I love it so much. I got this for 800, so it was priced down from 1,300 to 800, and yeah, I'm so glad they had a sale going on. Okay, now let's move on to the clothes. Well, I want to go to the beach on Tuesday, but I'm still making plans and I'm still trying to find out if there are any friends whom are available that I can go to the beach with, because it will be such a hot day on Tuesday. So yeah, you guys, the first thing I got is the swimsuit from Cotton On. This is the bra. This is how it looks like. I got it in a size medium. And then this is the underwear. This is what it looks like. It's a very like plain white or cream swimsuit, but I really like it because I don't like being too much. I really love things that are plain and elegant. I love that. So yeah, I'll be wearing this with some filet pants that I got in January, also from Cotton On, which are white. I'll show you guys though if I do go to the beach. If I actually do go, I'll show you guys the full outfit and how it looks on me. And then I got this t-shirt. It's like a see-through tank top, just a plain tank top, just to add on to my tops. There's nothing much about it. It's just, yeah, a t-shirt I really liked. And then, you know, I only got like 3 things actually. I fitted 7 items, but I only went for 3 because some of them were not as good and some were really expensive, and I chose to prioritize what I need. So yeah, I also got this jacket. Is this a jacket or it's a top? I'd like to think it's a top. It's a cropped top from Cotton On. I got it in green, and the reason why I got it is because I don't have as many jackets, and right now in Cape Town we are approaching winter, so I'll be needing more jackets, hence I got this. But yeah guys, that's pretty much everything that I got. Right now I'm about to finish editing my vlog, which is supposed to go live today. And yeah, I do hope I finish editing because the time is 7 already, and I also have to study as I have a test on Tuesday. So yeah guys, let's quickly edit the vlog and study after that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the day with me, and also if you haven't subscribed, please pause this video right now and go subscribe. Also leave a comment please. Bye. Good morning guys. Ninjani Bangani Bommy. I hope you guys are good. Yo Sana guys, today it's a Friday and I didn't go to campus because I've been feeling down, guys. I've been feeling so down and flustered. I didn't have motivation for anything. Like my productivity was at its low, you know. I was like flat down, and I actually realized that it was due to the heat that was happening in Cape Town. If you do stay in Cape Town, then you should know that we had like days of extreme heat since I think Monday till yesterday. And guys, yeah, I wasn't dealing well with that. Yo, bengi kula guys. I felt depressed at some point. I deleted social media because I was like, what's going on? I really like this weather really depressed me, okay? So today I woke up feeling much better because the weather is a bit gloomy. It's quite hot, but at least there's some air outside, because for the past days the air was quite warm, so you couldn't even breathe properly. But at least today it's a bit dark, man. It's giving winter vibes, which is something I never thought I'd say. But yeah guys, winter over summer actually. I prefer winter over summer. Like guys, this summer, I'm feeling vision. But yeah guys, that's besides the point. Today I didn't go to campus, and I just ordered fruits from Chicken 60 because I want to make myself a fruit salad bowl. So we are going to make that, and then I'll go read my Bible, spend time with God, and then I'll also start studying because I have a test next week Tuesday. I was writing this past Tuesday. Remember I told you guys it went well. I'm writing another one on Tuesday. So yeah, I've been like studying for this test weeks prior, actually, not this week. This week I feel like I haven't done much ever since my Tuesday test. So yeah, I've been studying, so I do have a pretty good idea of what's happening with the module. So yeah, I just need to recap for these days, which is I only have today, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday since I'm writing on Tuesday. So I'm just gonna do that, you guys, and then I don't know. I was planning on going to get new skincare products. Oh, guys, I'm sure Nyasha would say, "God, well, actually, you're the one that's damaging your skin barrier because you keep on changing things." And then, guys, yeah, I'm impatient when it comes to skin. Like, if you don't have this problem, then you wouldn't understand. Trust me. If you've never had acne problems, then you would never understand. So yeah, I wanted to go get new skincare products, but I think I'll shift that to next week because I'm still waiting to get my allowance. So yeah, I think I will do that. But yeah, guys, I hope Nisha, but I'm also a plant mom now, guys. I got these plants like 2 weeks ago. I forgot the name of these plants. I think is it asparagus or something? I don't know. But you guys can do the research. I'm a new plant mom, guys. They like 2 weeks old. I got them. They had already grown, right? They had already grown when I got them from Woolies. And then I just had to water them twice in 2 weeks because you water them once a week. And they started flowering. They started blooming, guys. They have flowers, which is so great. Let me show you guys. But y'all, guys, I feel so proud of myself. I can nurture something. Wow. Wow. I'm so proud of myself. Let's get to it, gay. Sorry for speaking so much. Let's get to it, you guys. I also wanted to go to the beach on Tuesday after my test because that was like one of the hottest days. But all my friends were busy and my partner was also at work. So I didn't have anyone to go with. And I'm sure you guys would say, go alone, do it alone. Not the beach, honey. Like I could do anything alone, but not the beach. And solely because I'm in Stellenbosch and to travel all the way to Clifton Fourth, which is in Cape Town, is like 300 and something with an Uber. And I am not willing to pay that alone. I think it's better when you guys divide it among a group of friends and then travel together than to do it alone because it's 600 with including return. So I wasn't going to do that. But y'all guys, I'm speaking a lot. I missed you guys actually. I'm in such a good mood. Guys, I was like so down. Yeah, but I even played the song in the background. Oh, just so figure the say. Because, wow. Hey. Hey. Tipo, guys. It's all God. Let me go read my Bible. Bye. I'm good, thank you. Oh, thanks, you too. Hey guys, my order has arrived and I quickly want us to do a haul. I just want to show you guys everything that I got, and then before I make breakfast, I think I just want to quickly do my Pilates. As you guys can see that I've already changed into my gym set, or Pilates set rather. I'll do that, and then after that I'll take a shower and then make breakfast because I'm one person that doesn't like eating before I settle down because eating can really fatigue me sometimes. So I prefer doing everything and eating after. So yeah guys, we're gonna shower, do Pilates, shower after this, and then come make breakfast. But let me quickly show you guys what I got. Okay, so I got the low fat plain yogurt. This is by Lancewood. And then I got a bag of golden delicious apples. Then I got a packet of white seedless grapes. I got 2 kiwi fruit. Ouch. they're called. Is it 2, I don't know, cloves, I don't know, or 2 kiwis. And then I got papaya, just one, a medium one. And I also got a box of bananas. Yeah, healthy eating, health as well. Yeah guys, all of this costed me 202, then including delivery it was 230 something, 37 I think, because delivery is 35 rand. So yeah, that's the total, that's how much it costed me. Right now let's just pack these things into the fridge and the rest into the fruit basket and then go to Pilates. Guys, I hope you guys can see me properly, but before I start I just wanted to give you guys the deets about this gym set. I really love it. It's in pink, baby pink, and I got it from Shein for 100 and something if I'm not mistaken. It's a 2-piece, it's a t-shirt and a short tights. So yeah guys, I really love it. I really love it, and I'd like to think that I want to make more of these. Let me also show you the socks. I got these Pilates socks. Can you guys see them? Yeah, I got these Pilates socks and I got them in 5 different colors. So I have pink, grey, black, white, and a lighter grey if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, you guys will see them as I introduce you more into my Pilates journey. So yeah guys, let's get started.
Welcome back, Isaweli here. We activate that core position here. We lengthen the right leg back and fingers. I want you to feel like someone's pulling your toes away from you, feeling that stretch in the hip flexors. On the right side, we're going to lift that leg up, parallel to the mat, inhaling and exhaling. And let's go. Let's get started. Inhale, we pull the knee in. Exhale, we extend. Keep the back nice and flat. Challenge that core stability. Engage it. Go straight, attach your knees to the belly button and use that pull. Let's go. Inhaling and exhaling.
Okay guys, I'm now done taking a shower and I'm about to make breakfast. Although the time is 12 p.m, it's lunchtime. I'm only having my breakfast now because I did wake up a bit late and I had quite a lot to do before I make my breakfast, but that doesn't matter as long as I'll eat. So let's make breakfast, you guys.
Men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you.
Right, guys, I am about to eat right now while doing my schoolwork, and I don't think I'll be doing my schoolwork with you guys. So I will see you guys later if I do decide to do anything. Bye.
Some things are meant to be.
Hi guys, it's a few moments later and I'm done doing my makeup. I didn't end up doing my eyebrows, so yeah, I'm trying to go for the natural look. As you guys can see, I just have foundation, a bit of some blush, although it's not visible. Yeah, I just wanted to look natural, especially because my skin is not looking good, so I'm not trying to put on too much makeup. And I also removed my eyelashes, you guys. As you can see, I now have my natural lashes. My natural lashes have been falling out, so I'm trying to grow them. So yeah, I'll have no lashes for like 2 weeks, and at least I'm writing tests, so I have to focus on my academics, and yeah, I'll be able to, you know, whereas academics, you know guys, academics can stress whatnot. But yeah guys, I'm wearing this two-piece. Under this two-piece, I'm wearing my swimsuit, which I'll reveal once I get to the beach. I'm not comfortable doing that right now because I still have to pass by Woolies if possible, just to go get some snacks and drinks. And then yeah, that's pretty much everything, you guys. I'm also carrying this bag. It's like a beach bag, and Sana, I filled it up with so many things. What's this? Oh, it's part of the thingy. I filled it up with so many things, and I accessorized using the flowers from my plant because they fell out, so I thought maybe I should just use them as an accessory to my bag. So yeah guys, I'm about to leave. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. I'll probably close it off today, but I will say a proper goodbye, say my proper goodbye. So yeah guys, let's go.
I've rejected affection for years and years. Now I had it and it's kind of weird. He tells me I'm pretty, don't know how to respond. I tell him that he's pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With every passing moment I surprise myself. I'm scared of love, I'm scared of bad. Someone please help, 'cause I think I've fallen and in love this time. I blinked and suddenly I had a Valentine. What if he's the last one I kiss? What if he's the only one I'll ever miss? Maybe I should run, I'm only 21. I don't even know who I want to become. I've lost all control of my heartbeat now. Got caught in a romance with him somehow.
Guys, so we have decided to go to the Dunedin beach. I can't pronounce it, but I think it's like Dunedin, I don't know. But y'all, it's a private beach in Cape Town. We have decided to go there because I don't want to be in a very like crowded area. I think I'd rather be in a beach where there aren't a lot of people, and I'll be able to journal and also read the Bible, you know, because I just want to reflect honestly. I haven't been feeling well this past week. Even right now at this moment, I'm doing well. I had to force myself out vlog for you guys. So yeah guys, like if you're watching this, just know I'm not my best. But yeah guys, we've decided to go there and my edges have melted, Sana. My edges have melted, but it's okay. It's okay. You know, the intention behind me going to the beach is just to go connect and yeah. Guys, we have arrived and we found parking a bit too far from the beach because it's full that side, so we're just gonna walk to the beach right now and yeah, start our evening. Thank you. Guys, we have made it to the beach and I'll change into my swimwear. I'll just take off the two-piece that I'm wearing on top and then I'll also wear some flip pants from Cotton On. You guys will see the full outfit. I'll try to take pictures, although I don't feel that good, but I'll try.
Talk to your Dories. Talk to your Dories. How are you feeling?
Hi guys, have you guys seen when I was opening this stand? I'm manifesting a brand. Please one of these ones in hearts.
Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her.
Hey guys, now we just want to enjoy the ocean. I'll see you guys when I start my journaling and yeah, just reflecting.